If you haven't got the yellow File Explorer folder on your taskbar on Windows 10, for example, let me just remove it for 1 second. Let's just say you haven't got the yellow folder there, so you can't click onto it to access your files. You can go to the search box down here, left click into the box, type in File Explorer, or just the first few letters should normally do. When it appears in the menu, if you right click onto it and then left click onto Pin to Taskbar, you'll see that it then positions itself on the taskbar, and I can just move it around with my left click button, holding it down wherever I want on the taskbar, just like that. If you haven't even got the search box down here to search for File Explorer in the first place, then what you can do is right click onto the taskbar, click on search, and then make sure that show search box is ticked here. If it isn't, just left click once onto it and that will tick the show search box option, and then the search box should appear down the bottom.